Hello everyone. Today we are going to be talking about a very powerful law of attraction practice. That practice is affirmations. We all know when we keep on repeating something, it becomes a part of our subconscious memory. And our subconscious mind, that is the mind which is responsible for our 95% of thoughts. And it is responsible for our habits, for our behaviors, for the patterns of reaction that we give to different things in our life. So affirmations are a very effective tool to reprogram and rechannelize our thoughts, our feelings, our emotions, our behaviors and our habits in our subconscious mind. How powerful affirmations are? I'll give you an example. Novak Djokovic, world's number one tennis player, who is just acing every tournament. He says, when I feel it is very difficult to score a point against the toughest of opponents in the world, I just say to myself, I have won it. This is my point. And it happens. So this is the power of positive affirmations. They are like reinforcements. They are like reprogramming. They are like changing your entire life. And many people, they try affirmations for different things in life. They send out the message to the universe, they write it down, but they don't get the results. And what are the mistakes which they are doing? Be very careful. Listen to it very correctly and make sure that you do note the important points. So very first thing, when people are writing affirmation, suppose when I have to write the affirmation that I don't want to fail in my exams. Now, your subconscious mind does not know the difference between don't want to fail and want to fail. Don't becomes irrelevant there. So, your subconscious will be, I want to fail in my exams. That is the fear which is creating an attachment. And moreover, what is happening? Your subconscious is reading as fail. That is the keyword which is going into your subconscious. So, never ever write subconscious like I don't want this. I don't want that, I won't be doing this. Never ever write your affirmations in that way. That is one big mistake. Second thing, sorry, you should always include some word like grateful, happy, something like that. Third thing, affirmations should not be very long because you have to repeat them and you cannot repeat a long phrase. I'm giving you a very simple example. What is the tagline of McDonald's Incorporated? I am loving it. If that tagline was, I love burgers, french fries and various other deep fried foods that are produced and distributed by McDonald's Incorporated Limited, would it be easy for anyone to remember? And would using this as a tagline, McDonald's have become a global brand? The answer is a simple no. So affirmations have to be short, clear, concise. Fourth thing, never write affirmations in future tense that it will happen, I want to, I will be. Never ever do that in future tense. It shows that you're lacking somewhere and you don't have that happiness, you don't have that joy, and you are not capable enough in the present moment to have that. And this is why never ever write affirmation in future tense. Make it present tense or make it past tense. So let's take that statement again. I will not fail in my exams. No, simply write it. I will ace my exams. I will ace my exams. I will pass my exams. If you want to simplify it, you don't have very high hopes with the coming exams. Or I will qualify my exams. But as I said, remove the future tense and change it. I am so grateful that I aced my exam. Simple. I am so grateful. This shows that it is already happening. That I aced my exams. That I aced or I passed. It means it has already happened. The subconscious does not know the difference between past, present and future. But when you say I will be, I have to, it understands that at the present you're lacking that thing, and that is why it is not manifesting that for you. So simply say I am so grateful Obviously, you are grateful for something which you deserve, which is yours, which has to come to you. That I aced my exams. Use this simple example and apply it for whatever you wish for in life. Have a great day.